Which fork?
Yes, use your hand, man, today, you know.
I say sweet potato there. And tell you exactly where go on.
I'll put that piece in, man. I need to sample it myself, man. No, sir.
You're bad. What bad? Yes, I forgot to teach Chris how to deal with it.
No.
Yeah, guys, check in. Another day, another vlog for them chicken here. Yeah, man. Some jerk chicken today, guys. I'm actually say, rain just don't fall. You know, guys, me that wonder say. Now, wonder if the vlog will come to a reality. Okay, man, the rain ease up. Show time, man. Just stay tuned. Watch what I'm going to deal with the good old jerk chicken. How it look? Yeah, man, some thigh for this wing and some leg. No breastplate now there to the people. Yeah, man.
Last of the Paradox chicken.
Yeah. No. Best dress here, people. Good old dress. Yeah, man, just stay tuned. This is what I'm going. Look at this. You know, I have no vinegar today. I have like a white rum. Yeah, man, so I'm going to put like a white rum in the water here. Clean off and chicken are well nice. Yeah, man, like a white rum in the water today, man. This is a junk we know yours. So I go on. Yeah, man. Clean them up here now. Get them seasoned. So stay tuned, guys. Get rid of some of that little fat here. Off it. Yeah, man, but when the skin stay up on the chicken, same way when we grill it. Just get rid of some of the excess fats. Stay tuned, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Almost finished now. Yeah, man. When this left, one piece of thigh left, guys. Yeah, as I say, the skin of it stay up on it. You know, and it up on the grill, just stick up. Yeah, man. So if you have a skin on it, jerk chicken. Yeah, guys, I wish supposed to could have smell all the rum, guys. Like even all the rum, add all flavor to it as we go. So it become a disinfectant, a season everything.
Multi-purpose.
Yeah, germs, everything. Yeah, man, and still add flavors. Yeah, man. Alright, guys, basically, done clean up now, so I'm gonna throw off a little water here and get some fresh one again. Yeah, man, rinse him off a second time. Then I show when I season it up. Yeah, man, look here, guys, most people have some little butter blood in another part here. The people ever leave in it, you have to use your thumb. Yeah, man. Look,
Scoop him out.
Scoop out that little crack there. Yeah, man, but I left it and I feel some meat and no meat.
Butter blood do not eat, people.
Yeah, butter blood that. Alright, guys. Check in on me. Come back with some fresh water.
I'm out.
Go back again, look at it now. Fresh water. Yeah, man, get the last rings. And then I show you when I season it. Yeah.
Yeah, peeps. I'll Martel go and wash down the chicken. We'll go and get the coal pan ready. So we have 2 pieces of sweet potato here, so we're going to roast.
Alright, guys, check in color card one. This is some blend up green season. But I look for a color, man. A little brown in. Did show in it. Yeah, man. Some scallion, onion. You smell it?
Oh,
garlic.
God,
yeah, little brown sugar. Yeah.
Homemade jerk rub.
Yeah, man. What you see this now, guys? This bad. That little wet rub here bad. Last time for the underground chicken. This with the juice on it, man. I tell you, say the flavor did buzzing on it.
Packed with flavors, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna get little White rum in it right now again too. Yeah man, chicken I got well drunk. Alright, that's about it. One all purpose season. Yeah. I know this now. Jerk seasoning. Alright guys, we should could have smell this right now. Alright. Rub it in now guys. Yeah man, marinate this thing and get some nice skin everywhere. Come on, you smell the rum out?
Oh god, man.
Yeah, no. Alright.
Smell like a cane now, though, you know.
Oh,
You really smell it? Smell like
yeah,
sugar cane.
a true man. Yeah, guys. Rub it in. Yeah, man, put some in a pot. I said part here, you know, some people not clean up. Yeah, man. Alright, down night. Some under the leg skin, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, guys, now go get the coal pot started there now. Yeah, man. So now go cover down this, make it go and soak a bit. Yeah, guys, active. Yeah, guys, piece of fat this. Yeah, man, put on the grill. When it heat up, on the oil out tight for a lot of the grill with the chicken and to stick up on it. Yeah, man, when it's hot and thing, I'm going to say exactly what I'm talking about, man. Guys, look at this. At the fat, you know, fat a burn off. Yeah, man. It produce a lot of smoke. Yeah, guys, we soon spread out the coal and load on the chicken. Let's stick and stay, guys. Look at that, guys. Yeah, man. Give them a close up there, Shem. Let me see the oil we're talking about. Yeah, guys, the oil here. Get one of the lid of the grill. Yeah, man, so the chicken will stick and put them on. Yeah, man. Guys, I stick and stay on. Follow up on a journey here and remember to subscribe, like, and go and share out the video. Yeah, man, I really appreciate the love we know do so far. Just continue to write it, man. Alright guys, look where I'm going now. I'm gonna spread out the coal a bit. Spread out the coal a bit here. Go and gear up the load on the chicken them now. Yeah man, if you know on the fire one place, keep burning up here, just spread it out equally. There it is.
Yeah, burning people.
Yeah.
Look a piece of chicken skin we get to in night cause it for a blaze sign, man.
Yeah, wicked.
See what the oil in it flammable.
Yeah, man. Short time. Load on the grill now. Yeah, guys, you hear that? Sizzle already. Yeah, man, no matter how we cook, man, the sizzle dead. Whoa. Smell good. One in this one. Another tie right this one. Yeah guys, look at that. Smell good, clean up peeps. Smell good. Yeah guys, how it look. Yeah man, and I get the first turn. Check in back and show you exactly what I'm going. Alright guys, I'm gonna get the first turn now. Yeah man, so the fire slow and easy. Remember, if the fire too high, what's gonna happen? It's gonna burn. You know, jerking is a process, it takes time. Slow and cool. Okay guys, need a first turn. Hey man. Alright guys, eat another flip. Until them say all night come down guys. You still there do it. Okay, 1 second flip. Smell good enough guys. Look on the char. Look on the char guys. Yeah man, grill mark.
So you know the chicken is jerking.
Yeah man. Yeah guys, look juicy.
You hear the signature sound also?
The sizzle. And I want to tell you guys, if the fire too high, all I might try to dry out the chicken, make it trashy. Yeah man, so the fire for those low.
Go on, stay tuned. We soon wrap up this.
Yeah guys, let it look. Chicken back, we see what I go on for them bird there.
Beautiful!
Alright guys, see what I go on. Yeah, I'm come along. But watch your style now guys, I'm show you what I go on after I done turn them here. Okay guys, and the juice zoom in. Watch it guys, and the juice. Alright now guys, I'm gonna go dip them in the said sauce. Remember say rum, pepper, scallion, onion, everything in the sauce here. So I'm just rehydrate them. Put them on back, I don't want them to dry out.
Lock in back all of the flavors.
Yeah, guys, look at that. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, and hear the sizzle said there? Yeah, man. You hear the sizzle? Nothing can go wrong. Leave. Hear that, guys? Yeah, man.
Signature sound.
Signature sound. Come on. Come on, for the time for we eat it. Yeah, man, you see right. Yeah, guys, just check in back. When I get the next turn, don't go nowhere.
Boy, people told them chicken is going juicy with even going need ketchup.
Yeah, no, yeah. Yeah, guys, no ketchup needed.
Look at it.
Yeah, guys. Alright, guys, check in again. Next turn with the pan again. Flip him once more. Remember, say a slow jerk, you know, guys, so it's going to take a while. Just a process, man. Look here, guys. Watch it. Whoa.
Beautiful.
Yeah, guys. Just a process, man.
Jeez, I wish them could have smelled the aroma when I get about a jerk pot.
Look at this, guys. Some beautiful char marks. Yeah, man.
Perfect.
And I see this, you know, guys. All I see is this, you know, infused in it. You know, it's well nice.
Jesus.
Whoa.
I don't like wing, but to them I feel like when I eat the wing.
Okay, leg, alright, take out one out of the fire a bit. Put in the tile hard of the soak. Yeah. Make space with the leg here. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. Oh, come on, lovely. Let us see where I go on again. Put on the leg here, fiddly.
Lead
It
it.
a soak out.
Yeah, man, it's a dry out now.
Alright, turn it here, so. The wing here basically done, so here now. Take it out of the flames. Go soak this, so. Turn them on and say there. Watch you out. Pretty though.
Jesus.
Yeah, man, full of moisture and everything, so there. Yeah, man, watch out.
Some nice char marks.
Wow. Nice, man.
No, they really need to build a camera where can smell the scent that come
Oh,
out of this thing.
oh.
Look,
Yeah,
man, the
man,
fans
seriously.
them smell what go on in the pot.
I true, man.
You know, the jerk pan.
Yeah, true.
God.
But hopefully one day them are going to know, say, I'm not capping, because them are going
Yeah, man.
dip and see one idea. And
Get
I
to
taste
experience
yeah.
it first and
Exactly what I go on. Zoom in pan this effort, look on the juice.
bubbling.
Look at the juice. Yeah guys, you see that? Yeah man, just stick and stay same way. Alright guys, look at this. They're ready now, so may I take them off? Come in, Shemar, show them how going. Yeah guys, watch this. Got some banana leaf ready. Yeah man, so go and load them on there now. So how going. Watch it guys. Hey guys. Watch it guys. Right now, I'm tempted to eat all in 3 pieces like a KFC. Big deal. Guys, yeah, nice.
See what that like a look juicy, people. See what that glisten.
Check guys, watch out. Ready? Come on, here, smell it.
Oh gosh, what you mean if you don't smell it? Alright, now a lot more lock off the camera and tear down them. But we have to give you the content, people, you know? Tempted to lock off the camera and tear down these.
Yeah guys, so right now, I go put on the potato them now.
Yeah, show them the sweet potato them.
How are them there?
How them there?
Come like in last night that
Simmer
guys.
them on the wall there.
Alright.
Yeah, so peeps, sweet
Alright,
potato
guys,
them
yeah.
are going to go on now.
Yeah man,
Put them
2
in
sweet
the pot.
potato.
So stay tuned.
Yeah man. You guys see it here? Show them all going. Yeah guys, sweet potato, roast them now and show them all going. Yeah guys, how much time now, Fiddly? About
Close to 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock, watch out now guys. Sweet potato them again, I flames there now. Yeah man, as I don't know the chicken done jerk, so then here now. Then we show them what go on.
Use the tongue and drop 2 pieces between it.
Guys. Man, remember say we are Jamaican, you know, and fire no burn
God,
Jamaican,
man.
you know. And we burn fire upon people. Just have to take up the raw coal and do this thing.
Fire Lord Zuko peeps.
Don't try it guys if you don't know if you take up coal.
Don't try this at all.
Don't try it. Yeah man, but we go. And then you're done rust. Show them what go on.
Alright. I'll cover them down now peeps, so stay tuned.
Yeah, man. Peeps, you see, the coal get lazy out, man. If I do 3 times for coal, you know, but yeah, if you fun it, but sweet potato, them will come along and smell them too. Watch out, soft, you know, out in the next 3 minutes. Take them off and show them how go on. Yeah, man. Hey guys, watch out. And I go through it here now. That's the next side left. Go on, rust. Now ready up. Alright guys, check in back. Watch out now. Hold on there. Okay guys. Feel like they're ready. So I'm going to take them off now. And peel them. I'm going to say exactly what I go on. Yeah man. Alright guys, I'm going to peel them now. So I go on. Alright. I'm hot now guys. I'm going to say steam a chuck out here now. Watch it. Wow.
Oh.
Hot. Supposed to smell this guys. You can smell even the sugar with it. Yeah. Can smell it.
No joke.
Wow. How it look guys? Well roasted. Watch it. Alright. Peel that one. Same time. Cut off the edge them. Good look guys. Look like you can eye up on a catering though. Yeah man. Wow. Actually guys. Well nice. sweet potato. Alright, put the skin them right here, so. Cut them up, so I'll go on. I forgot to taste this now, guys. Bad. Nice, youth.
Oh God, man. I'll put that piece in my mouth. I need to sample it myself, man. No,
It's
sir.
bad. It's bad. What bad? Yes, I forgot to teach Chris how to deal with it.
No.
Bad.
Alright, guys, I wish you could have there for sample.
Bad. Nice, man.
Trust me.
Nice, guys.
So the skin them can't eat.
What? You think I got to taste it? I think I got to taste it. Taste it. Skin nice too. Skin nice. I tell you.
Have a nice little roast flavor.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so stick and stay. Show now going on next. So we are devour this. You hear that, guys? Hear crunch?
Oh, God, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, peeps. One of our loyal fans.
So I can tell you real taste test.
So how it looks so far?
Are you
Alright,
cooking?
guys.
No.
Alright,
I'm
then
going
it
to
look
show
good.
some of this here, so
No, I don't like that. That sound bias. So like
Some
you
of
would have
that-
said it don't look good for me to do it.
Some of this here, so. Come out of the buckle, man. Alright, guys, that is it.
Okay, already, man.
Alright.
Sauce. Sauce here.
Take the leg and tell them how to go and dip it in the sauce with potato. And tell them exactly what it is.
So the pot then,
Which fork?
No,
Yes,
use
it's
your
a
hand,
backyard
man.
there, you know. And say sweet potato there. And tell them exactly where to go on. If it's a pass or a miss. See sweet potato right there, so tell them how to go on food.
You can taste the spices. It's easy, but I'm gonna eat your chicken, you know this, because your chicken dry.
So it's dry now.
No, it's not dry.
Not
So
dry.
I'm saying it's moist and I can taste the spices, it well seasoned.
So you put on your chicken fire when no.
Never eat it up for
But now your mouth out there.
Wash up.
Yes,
And it's nice too. I'm gonna eat it with some butter and salt.
I say I like sweet potato.
Alright, guys, still gonna go on right here, so. Shema, can I see to this? Mix it in together. I mean, you cook it to the piece, but.
You surprise even yourself.
What? Even myself. Well, nice. Well, nice. I'll find a banana leaf right there, so. Yeah, guys, but I'm gonna make Shema to how it tastes. Maybe me I'll be biased and praise myself, but I'm making tell you how go on. Nice still.
Yeah.
Don't stop it fit there.
This just needs some
Go on and tell them how go on.
color champagne.
What a champagne.
Yeah.
Now that one there today. Alright. Knife up my piece in the marks, you know.
Yeah.
I sample the sweet potato first. We already teeth piece and sweet potato already. So I'm not gonna lie to you. I already know say sweet potato, but teeth piece already. But
Yeah.
what? Look at sauce up on it.
Bad though.
Perfect, man.
Which brand? Home of that name?
Home choice.
Home choice is nice.
This one get a long time.
Alright, the chicken. Alright, go ahead man, zoom in guys. Alright, go in reaction you know.
You know me love pepper long time now.
You taste it. Beat him back.
The pepper, the green seasoning,
Yeah,
pocket flavors, man.
yeah man, it's tough.
I want you to cut the camera so I can enjoy my chicken now still.
Alright,
That's the
guys.
truth.
You hear that? So catch you up on the next vlog. And continue to support, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Jerk chicken active, guys. Watch out. Rub it in.
Look behind the scenes,
What?
peeps.
Watch out. Get the fiddly. Watch out now, guys. You have to mark them here now. Like this, watch out.
Like a sandwich.
Yeah, man, and deal it now. One go. Bad still. Me not do this again. This come like say a Hilton. I want to hotel them ready. That's not bad like me.
Believe.
It's bad.